Yo, today we're going to be installing the BMW R90 GPS1 short exhaust. Hope you enjoy. I want to give you guys a little bit of sound before I start talking. It sounds pretty good from factory. Capacity is 1170 cc's, flat twin boxer engine, been around for a while. If you know BMWs, you really know this engine. Max output's 110 horsepower, 88 pound-feet of torque. At 6,000 RPM, horsepower comes in peak at 7,750 RPM. I mean, what a beautiful engine. Never owned a BMW motor cycle. I've owned a CBR 600. I've got a Civic Type R as my daily, so I figured this would be a pretty cool complement to that. Just the shaft drive makes for a beautiful aesthetic when it comes to the rear floating wheel, but the twin exhaust from factory, as nice as it is, it's heavy and it blocks the aesthetic that I'm going for. Soon to come will be the rear fender eliminator. I am going to remove the A-frame passenger pegs in this video as well. Stick around, check it out, man. I'm going to turn this thing on, show you guys how it sounds here shortly.
That's a lot louder.
Pretty excited about that. This is me removing the 2 bolts on both sides. There's 4 total. To remove the A-frame. I saw another guy doing it online by taking off the foot pegs. Not necessary, you can get it right off. You gotta take off the rear seat, it's 1 bolt. I'll show you. Looks pretty awesome without it. Hopefully I'll be doing a ride along in the future so you guys can watch my vlog. If you like this, thumbs up. Let me know what I can do different as far as for the future. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.